guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with the new Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Foundation. If you're interested in seeing this video, keep on watching. To review the new Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Okay, so I am in the shade where I picked the shade up 4-in-1 Ginger. So I hope I picked the correct shade up. I didn't actually go to the store. I purchased this online, so I don't know. From this bottle, it looks a little light. I may have missed it a little bit. It looked like it was correct online, so we will see. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit about this foundation. Right now, it looks like this in this little frosted bottle. I don't know, guys. It looks a little, a little light, but we'll see what we can work with it. Okay? So, let's see. It says, I usually go for neutrals, you know what I'm saying? My shades are usually a neutral on the neutral side. So let me put my glasses on. The highlights are vegan, it's a liquid formula, it's waterproof, it has a natural finish, it's long wearing, and it has a medium coverage. A weightless foundation that blurs the lines between makeup and skin with medium buildable coverage. It's waterproof wear and up to 12 hours fade proof wear. As a medium coverage. This foundation is also $48. I picked up again 4-in-1 Ginger. So we're gonna see how good I did. I'm gonna shake this up because I always like to shake the products up first. I always like to apply some first on my little makeup palette. It has a pump, which I do like. It looks like this, so let's see. Dun 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 dun. See. Just gonna apply it on like I normally do. And I'm using my 101 brush. Well, it's a little light, but we can, well, it does match. It's a little light. But I'm lighter in the winter anyway. But let's see. We'll go ahead with it and apply it. My skin is already moisturized and I have all my skincare on. So let's just try it. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, I look ghostly with it on. I'm telling you, but the 4-in-1 shade looks, I should have went to the, let's see, because the 4 Ginger, it looked like it was my complexion. Maybe I should have went for 4C Cool, maybe. I'm not sure. But okay, we'll try it. I look ghostly. But we will try it. Let's see. I want to see how it actually feels on my skin, but really it's a little light. It feels actually good on the skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, guys. It does not feel like I'm wearing anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it. I always like to just apply it on my plier, just like I regularly do, you know. And then I'm gonna tap off the excess with my sponge. I like my foundations to look really natural. And so I guess it does kind of match. It's a little, yeah. Now, I guess I'm so used to getting foundations that I put a little warmth in it a little bit. But I don't know. Let's see. It does kind of match my neck. I'm just a little lighter in the winter anyway. So after tapping the excess off, it does match my complexion, really. My neck, let's see. So anyway, lately I've been using primer, but I didn't want to use primer today because I want to see how it actually looks on its own without any primer or anything. So I didn't want to do anything extra just to see how it looks on its own. This is the look that we have going on today. And okay, it looks really nice when I added everything. Okay, it is a little lighter than what I would like, but it works, okay? So we're going to see how this performs. Right now it is 11:02. Let's see if you can see it. 11:02. Okay, so we're going to see how this wears throughout the day. But yeah, so far I like the way it feels on my skin. I did everything the same way as normal except use a primer. Lately I have been using a primer just to keep my makeup on a little bit longer. And I've seen a little bit of pores right in this area, so it really helps hide the pores. But right now, everything looks good. I do not see any pores. It feels very lightweight so far. And as you can see, I didn't wear any falsies, anything today. I just wore my regular makeup, no lashes, just really simple, basic makeup look, okay? I used bronzer and I bronzed all around my face to, you know, give it a little bit of warmth. So yeah, I don't know. I like the way it looks so far, and it feels pretty good so far. So anyway, we'll see how this performs today. So yeah, we'll see you in a few. Okay, it's like 3 o'clock, and this makeup is looking really good. I'm getting ready to go in. It looks really good. I like the way it looks on my skin. It doesn't go into fine lines and wrinkles. I'm liking a shadow. I probably need to go in. But yeah, it looks real good. I'm liking it so far, so good. There it is. This is how it's actually looking. It is now 8:30. Almost 9:15. So I have had this makeup on for almost about 9.5, 10 hours. And so far, I like the way it feels on my skin. I like the way it looks. It does feel lightweight. So let me tell you a little bit again about this foundation. Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. It is $48. It has 30 shades. I have mature dry skin. So I forgot to say that earlier, but I have mature dry skin. And so my skin, like I like foundations that do not settle in fine lines and wrinkles. And this has not settled in fine lines and wrinkles. I believe it could be a little bit deeper in shade, but I picked up the shade, what is it? 4N, here it is. 4N1 Ginger. It's really a great shade. I think I will the next time get it deeper, but this is Definitely my winter shade. I can definitely get by with it in the winter. And I like it. Didn't settle in fine lines and wrinkles. I do not feel it on my skin at all. I went to sleep in this. I took my little nap. So I actually do like this foundation. I would recommend it, especially if you have dry, mature skin. I think you would like this. I would try it a couple of more days. And if I have any kind of issues with it, I would definitely pin it to this page if I have anything else that I want to say about this. But yeah, so far so good. I actually do like it. I hope this video was helpful. I always like to share my opinion about foundation. I am going to apply this within the next week or so just to see how it works with primer and my other products, okay? So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for taking time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time. Bye.
Before you say goodbye.